Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday morning. So today is the day that your essays are due to be handed in by midnight. So you have worked so hard on all of these essays and they are looking fantastic. So hopefully today won't take you too long to do your final adjustments and just the finishing touches before you upload by midnight. First of all, as it says here, as you can see, I've got a meeting coming up. You can see that you have to first of all make your final adjustments. So hopefully you've got your buddies' peer feedback from last week. Go through and make the changes that they suggested. Then the next thing that you need to do is that you need to make sure that your paper is formatted properly according to the MLA guidelines. Now, if you are unsure how to do that, I have provided you my Writer's Toolkit. Now, a lot of the things that are in this website came from Mr. McNutt. He's a great friend of mine and has some amazing resources for MLA formatting. And so he shared these with me a while ago. So what you need to do is you need to look at this presentation here. And hopefully it's not going to take too long to load, but it goes through everything that you possibly need to know about MLA. So it might be how to set up your paper, how to do the works cited page, how to do in-text citations. It's got a whole table of contents here. And if you want to go straight to that page, you can. So we can go to slide 5. What does a formatted paper look like? And if we go through to the next slide, it shows you an example. There's a video that you can watch here which explains the process as well, but you can see you've got to be really careful about things like putting your name, my name, the class that you're writing this assignment for, and the date. So that will be Tuesday, state. Then it has to have a title, and you can see here the indentations. You can see that it's Times New Roman, it's size 12, because remember I'm getting old, so I need to be able to see it. And there's a header running on every single page of your last name and then the page number. Okay, so those are some things there. Definitely watch this before you come to my G-Meet to ask me questions, because what I'll probably say is, have you looked at these things first? The next thing you need to be aware of is that in your paper, you need to have your works cited page. So these are all the resources that you've referred to in your in-text citations. Now that needs to be arranged alphabetically from the author, from A, their surname, through to Z. But again, there's some really good information in Google Docs that will help you with that as well. So first thing, do the edits to your paper. Second thing, make sure that your paper is formatted properly. Third thing, make sure that you have your works cited page. Then you need to go in and you need to click Turn In. This is a really important part of the process that some people seem to forget in our class. And if you don't turn it in, you are going to get a 0. So this is super, super important. Turned in by midnight. No extensions on this, guys, because we've already had extra time. So you need to go to task 6, final essay, and turn in here. If you have any questions, make sure you call in on the G-Meet. But like I said, go to these resources that I've given you first. See if you can work out the answer to your question. And if not, come and talk to me. I'm here to help you. Good luck.